place. Oh my god, that looks incredible. Whoa.
I don't even know what to get. I hadn't even thought of anything because I'm going through a drive-thru right now.
Big Mac.
I had McDonald's so
Okay,
long.
so how do we get out of here?
Do the same thing that he did, or she did.
Oh, she went.
Get lost and wait for someone else. Why am I unbuckling? All right.
Can it get in through the drive-thru? You got chargers in?
The order thing's right there too. So I just gotta
Oh, there's a menu there too.
pull up. I mean, what do you want, Christian? 'Cause I know I want my 2 Big Macs. That's all I'm getting.
2 Big Macs.
Yeah, that's like getting 1 Chick-fil-A sandwich, Dad.
He gets 3 if it's not
That's fine.
Oh, what are you getting?
Go.
God. Christian, what do you want?
Quarter pounder.
Okay,
No pickle, no.
double quarter pounder. Oh, no, I ain't doing that. No, too bad. You're gonna deal with it.
Alright, please move forward to the next speaker. Thanks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you've got time.
Okay, so yeah, like,
You're only gonna eat 2 Big Macs?
yeah, or a meal. Just,
What?
One's gonna be a meal and one's gonna be
yeah,
a
one's gonna be a meal and one's gonna just be a burger by itself.
Yeah.
And you want to?
But there's 2 for $5.
Yeah, so if I get a Big Mac with a meal and then another Big Mac, wait, what?
Oh, give me that bacon barbecue burger.
Logan, can take over?
Nope.
Yes, can I get a number 1 with a medium meal?
What kind of drink?
Coke, please.
And yeah,
And then another number 1 by itself.
just a burger?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And what do you want, Christian? No quarter pounder?
No, bacon burger.
Okay.
Single.
And then let me get a...
What number is it?
Yeah, what freaking number is
Just say it right there.
Oh, okay. Let me get a single patty bacon barbecue burger.
Do you want double meat?
So you want just a quarter pound beef with bacon and cheese? Or like how do you like it?
It's on the menu, the bacon barbecue burger.
We don't have that right now.
Double quarter pounder. All right, let me get a double quarter pounder then.
A double quarter pounder?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. And a medium meal with that.
Okay.
Dr. Pepper for the drink.
Okay. Anything
Yeah.
else?
Yeah, I'll just take a number, the Big Mac.
And then another Big Mac with a medium meal.
Coke.
And a Coke for that as well.
Okay.
And ask them if the restrooms are available or not.
Okay.
Anything else?
Are the restrooms available?
No, it's closed in time.
Okay. That's gonna be it.
Okay, that'll be 2983 next to nothing.
What? I don't even know what she said, but okay.
Next time you just get a double hamburger of some sort. You don't need no damn 2 separate hamburgers.
That's what I get.
I don't care what that's what you get. This is not this is what I get type meal. This is what you don't get type meal.
Where's I can see the curb?
Being a curve, we're at this one intersection. And
Dang,
this
already?
Nissan Titan.
Card.
Just
We're already ready, dude. Come on, you gotta keep up.
this Nissan
Oh,
Titan.
curb check. This is the stupidest freaking thing ever.
Let's see.
You need to curb check. You didn't work hard enough for no damn 2 hamburgers.
Right?
Tell her that that sign is still up for that bacon barbecue burger.
They know that because I mentioned it's on the menu right now.
You mentioned it was on the menu?
Yeah, I said it's on the menu, and it said, no, we don't have that right now.
But you should just get clarification.
Oh, and the sign for y'all's bacon barbecue burger is still up over there on the...
We need to take it off now.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There. All right, I'm gonna go straight because I'm gonna destroy this curve, and we're good. No, wait. I think I'm. Yes. I'm rubbing the curve. Oh my god. Never coming to this one ever again.
I didn't get 2 fries.
Let me see what. Why does it cost so much? 2 Big Mac meals.
Yeah, that's yours, and then my meal, and the burger alone. Christian's meal. I'm sorry, I'll just get a double meat next time. Yes, sir. Thank you. Y'all find it.
P is for punk.
They're both the same.
You got a Coke too?
Yeah.
You're done.
No, I'm not. Just gotta be the same as Dad, so it doesn't get confusing. Food review.
Uh-oh. Return. She wants a hurricane?
Car, the window's down. That is so okay. Whoa, wait, what?
Hey, Dad, guess what time it is?
I'm looking at the freaking drink dispenser and it is so cool. It automatically, thing spins, pulls the cup down. What's this?
Read this, but I'm pretty. And then the sign.
Alright, read the words first, okay?
Yeah, the white side.
I go to Burger Bing.
Burger Bean.
Oh, Burger Bing. Bam Burger. What does it say? Yes, we are aware we got what?
A fricked up sign.
Oh. Why is it freaked out?
Because it says Burger Bean.
Let's say burger. I don't even know how you messed that up. Wow, they're not even gonna curb check. They're gonna wall check behind me. That Escalade back there, they're really. If they don't turn straight immediately, they're gonna freaking slam it. Okay, that's them over there. Dang.
3 Big Macs and a double quarter pounder?
Yes, sir. Thank you. I think they loaded this thing up. Check the food first.
Fries.
Yeah.
Should are the hottest fries in all of Mexico.
Yeah, they're fresh because they ain't got a lobby to fill up.
I see 2 Big Macs.
Yeah, that's.
You ordered one and I ordered one.